Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. It's going to be short. It's going to be sweet. Just have a Royal Caribbean update to share with you guys this morning. Royal Caribbean has announced that they are moving their home porting operations from Baltimore down to Norfolk, Virginia, at least temporarily. Now, the only ship they have sailing out of Baltimore is Vision of the Seas. Vision of the Seas is currently out on a sailing, is due back on April the 4th. So she's going to go to Norfolk, Virginia, disembark passengers, and then the April the 4th and the April the 12th sailing will both be sailing from Norfolk, Virginia. Only the next two sailings have been confirmed from Norfolk. Now, for the April the 12th sailing, due to the operational requirements of the move, instead of coming back on April the 20th, she's going to have to come back a day early on April the 19th. So both Carnival Cruise Lines for the Carnival Legend, Royal Caribbean for Vision of the Seas will both be moving those ships, at least temporarily, down to Norfolk. Now, both cruise lines have only announced the next two cruisings, so I expect we'll get more confirmation from them here in the next week or so, but it's probably due. They probably need to get contracts, agreements with the Port of Norfolk. This is probably just a temporary emergency measure that has been put into place, so we should hear more here in the coming weeks. And that's going to be your cruise news. Short, sweet, and right to the point.